everyone, it's Cindy. I showed you last week the junk journals that I finished on my art vacation, and I thought I would show you this week some of the other stuff that I got done on my art vacation. It was so wonderful to get to do art, and I am planning to do that periodically as we go on through the next few months. Ideally, I'd like to be able to do that once every other month. Wouldn't that be fun? Maybe I'd actually get a lot of stuff done. Anyway, I'm going to turn you around and show you what I did. Right, so I wanted to make sure that I got these on film for you before I ship them out, because all of my Halloween sold this week. Gladly, thanks to everybody that purchased one. That always makes me feel good when you guys buy my creations. I appreciate that a lot. There's this one, has a little vintage cupcake pick on the top there. Mercury glass beads on it, and it's in a cute little vintage shot glass, which I thought was fun because of the black and orange. This is the next piece that I did. This is a cute little like spoolie guy, and he is on a little vintage spool. He says beware. He has a mercury glass pick on him and a fun little spider hanging off the front. This is the back. It is finished. So that's that one. This is the next one that I did. This is probably my favorite of the two. I like this little ghosty. And it says boo. It also has the little mercury glass pick on it. And then this piece at the bottom is something that I salvaged from a broken vintage ornament. Actually, it was probably an antique ornament. So I salvaged that off of there, and I made it into this cute little piece here. So it's going to go off to its new home here soon. All right, I love her and all of her witchy goodness. She is on a vintage spool as well. She is a composite baby doll head that was just floating around, baby doll head all by itself. Look at her crazy hair. And I just made a little witch hat, stuck it on there, and then decorated her up on her cute little stand. And she is ready to go to her new home. Then there's this guy. I really like him. I like everything about him. I like his cute little pumpkin face. I like the black bottle brush tree and the mercury beads. I am going to pull him closer, but my camera always likes to shake. There we go. Wait just a second. See, look at his cute little plastic pumpkin goodness. He has a little handle on the back, some netting there, but this lovely black bottle brush tree is so fabulous. And then these are mercury glass beads on him, and he is on a jello, vintage jello mold tin. Love him. And that's it for all of the Halloween ones. I'm going to show you the Christmas ones that I did now in just a second. These guys were so much fun for me to make. I love these little spun head guys. But this guy had come off. He was a pine cone figurine, and his little head had come off of the pine cone. And so I just made him into a new figure. I recycled him into a cute little art piece. And that's that first little guy. Look at this adorable little angel. Isn't she fun? I enjoyed making her a lot as well. All of these use vintage items to make. And then here's another one of those little, that he was also a pine cone guy. And his head had come off of his pine cone. And I rescued him and turned him into a little piece of art. So I have him. Here's another fun little mini piece that I made. Adorable little guy, little snowman, and some bottle brush trees. These are newer bottle brush trees, but they're still adorable. And then look at the back of this little tin. Isn't that cute? So that's fun. Just, you know, just something fun and creative I made. I enjoyed it. And I made two of these adorable little assemblages. They're a little different, each one of them. I made them with vintage items. So this is a spun head angel, and these are two amazing little mercury glass picks basically they came with all these little mercury glass beads on them. A vintage spool, some other little vintage things there. It is kind of finished on the back, so front or back is nice to view. And it's on an old vintage ribbon spool, which I really like. Isn't that fun? So that's her. And here's the second one that I made, again with vintage materials. So we have our little spun head angel on the top. She's a little different than the other one. We have an indent ornament there. Some of these are hard to come by, these little, I don't know what you call those, starburst package toppers. I have 2 of those on there. They're rather rare. And then a little fun little, couple little mercury ornaments on the back. Also on a ribbon spool. So she's a lot of fun. I made a couple of little shadow boxes. Aren't these fun? This one has a vintage deer in it. Now this deer has been repaired. It has multiple little fractures on it, but I needed to make sure that that didn't get just chucked, and so I created a fun little piece out of that. Little deer gave him some new life. So I've added some extra little pops of color here. The little balls there are mercury glass, and then we have a mercury glass pick there, and it does say joy on it, so that's kind of fun. This does have a nice glass covering on it. That's not plastic. It's a very nice case that it's in as well. Then I have this one, and isn't this one cute? It's a little vintage angel there, a bottle brush tree. This is a vintage celluloid deer. We got some vintage sheet music, copyrighted 1926. Some wording there, good tidings of great joy. Just a fun little piece. Again, this is a really quality box that it's in with some actual glass on the front. So that is that one. That's what I got done on my art vacation. As I said, all of the Halloween assemblage pieces, they are already spoken for. They're sold and they're getting ready to go to their new homes. The Christmas assemblage pieces, those I am going to offer first to the people that come to my studio open house. And right off the top of my mind, I cannot think of what the date is. It's in November. I will put it below. But I am going to have a Christmas open house here at the studio, and I'm going to offer them to those people first. And then if they don't sell then, I will then offer them on a live sale on my other channel. So thanks for joining me today, you guys. Hopefully I can do a lot more art and keep going, and I'll take you along for the ride. So I am at door number 2 in Hudson right now, and this is where I was doing that class. And I will show you some footage from last week. Some of the students did some work, and it came out really nice. And so we worked on a couple of techniques this week, and now we're just decorating our books. So it's really a lot of fun. So I'm going to turn you around so you can see the whole setup here, and then I'll go show you some more of their work later as they get more fun stuff done. What is your name?
Kyle.
Kyle. Kyle is making a niche. He's already made the little drawer, and now he's making a niche.
I know what I'm doing.
So I'm decorating your pages. And what is your name?
Judy.
Judy. Judy's already made her little drawer and her niche, and she's just decorating her page. Your papers down.
That's too
Auditioning papers.
Yes, auditioning papers, exactly.
Oh, I like this background. That must be like the background from a
Right. I mean,
art
I really
supplies or whatever.
I can even see that one on both sides, and then you embellish around it. But I want something in there that's going to say.
A Jewish dad is not making Jewish child.
He's having a dad make a baby.
Exactly.
I love what you did there. And what is your name?
Ellie?
Ellie. Ellie's doing a cool niche there. And you're working on your cover.
Yeah, you're just white.
I like the vellum. Did you paint this or did you just cover it with paper?
I covered it.
Homework for 2 hours because tomorrow's the last day.
And what's your name?
Yeah, Esme.
Esme. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
It's a very Twilight name.
Oh yeah.
This is Karen, and she's making a niche in her book.
I can't say that to my teacher. Trust me.
And what's your name?
I'm Michelle.
Michelle. Michelle has made some fun little drawers here. She's got 2 in there, and she's got a little niche in her book. Exactly. You know, right? She anticipated. I just never. She cut a circle niche in the book. That's just amazing to me, and it's like, thank you. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we have a little drawer here, and then we have the little circle niche with the little square. Awesome. So cool. And what is your name?
Faye.
Faye. Faye, you did a nice job. Very cool.
Well, yeah.
All right, I'm coming over here and look at all your fun niches.
Oh, I done.
Very nice. This is great.
My plan is to put spices in here,
Okay.
like a chili spice, and then to pour raisin in.
Oh, okay. Oh, that'll be neat.
Yeah,
That'll be really cool.
that's what I want to do.
Here, I'm going to stop. Cool. I like that. So we've got our little drawer over there and here. And what is your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. Very nice. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm filming now. Let me see. Show me. We have a. I love how everybody takes the ideas and does their own thing and does really fun things. So we've got a really long box.
I've got
Very cool. Well, you can decorate that and make it however you want to.
taking out the papers.
It's very nice. I like it. And what is your name?
Habby.
Say it again.
Habby.
Hobby?
Yes.
Very nice to meet you, and you did a very nice job. Let me see yours over here. That came out very nice. So we've got our drawer up here. So we've got a rectangular drawer that comes out. Cool. And the niche there. Very nice. And what is your name?
Mariam.
Maria.
Mariam.
Mariama?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Nice to meet you, Mariama. All right, so this is a wonderful, full-functioning art studio. They have potter's wheels over there. They have a whole big supply area here. And then every week on Thursdays from 4 to 8 p.m., they do have like open studios. So anybody can come here and work on a project. Once a month they have a class such as mine where they come in, and still some people came in and did their own thing, which is totally fine. So that's what we're doing here. It's a wonderful place. It is connected to Christ Community Church or Community Chapel in Hudson. And so yeah, it's a great fun place to be, and the students are doing a wonderful, wonderful job and taking it places I didn't even imagine. So yeah, look at this. That's fun. And then where's the page where you made the little, the attack? Oh yeah, I like that. This is what she finished from last week. Will you open your drawer?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
And that's baseball.
And what is that that's in there? I saw you showing it to somebody
Little
else. but-
Chinese things for the year of the dog.
Okay. And I like that it opened. I thought that was kind of fun.
Yeah, I'm going to put it, in fact, I think I just know that gem's too big. I need the tiniest little gem to go in it.
Very fun. There you go. So we've got 3 little doors going on here. That's
Yep,
fun.
and they're all going to be with these little pictures here. Yeah, that really screams Japan to me.
I love it.
And there's like a couple, like that, and that.
Uh-huh. Very cool.
And I think I'm going to have this, I'm going to put like a foreground right here.
Uh-huh.
This is going to go over the window with the yin yang and the wabi sabi in the background.
Cool.
And then I'm going to like...
Now, did you do a drawer or just the niche?
I had the 2 drawers
Oh, you've got
up
2
here.
drawers up there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that you don't have little handles on them yet, though.
No, not yet.
And nothing inside.
Well, I got
Except
matches.
Very cool. Thanks for joining me today. I had so much fun at door number 2, and I also had fun making those sculptures that I made on my art vacation, which was a little while ago. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and to leave me a comment. If you don't know what to say, leave an emoji, leave punctuation. That would be fabulous. All that helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps get the channel noticed. I'm inching closer to 1,000. We'll get there someday. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Mimi's Treasure Cottage, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.